Hello, dear children. Good morning, all of you. Welcome back. I'm back again with you all. And today we are going to study EVS. Okay? I know you all have studied lesson number 2 as well as lesson number 3, which is there in your syllabus of June. So today we'll get a quick recap. We'll have a quick recap of lesson number 3, that is parts of a plant. I hope you all have seen a plant. Yes? Have you all? I think you all have. And if not, no problem. We'll study it with the help of a small diagram. Okay? So, can you see this small diagram being drawn on the board? Yes or no? Okay. So, let's start with the chapter and together we'll be learning about the parts of the plant. So, my dear kids, just tell me one thing. You all know your body? You all have parts of your body, yes or no? You all have head, nose, hands, legs. Yes? You all have parts of your body as well? Same way, the plant also has many parts. Oh, yes or no? Yes. So, please be ready with your books, my dear children. That is study all together, semester 1. The subject is environmental studies. Okay, be ready. Plants are very important to us. Yes or no? Plants are important to you or not? They are. They give you food. They give you oxygen. Yes, which you breathe. Oxygen is the most important thing for you to live. We see variety of plants around us. Can you see variety of plants around you? Yes, you see. There are so many types of plants. Are there only small plants or only tall plants? No. There are variety of plants. We have small plants, we have tall plants, we have average kind of plants. So, we can see many plants around us. Plant has different parts. Example, roots, stem, leaves, branches, flowers, fruits, etc. Stem, leaves and branches are above the soil. So, let me show you over here. Above the soil, what all things can you see? You can see flower. Yes. You can see leaf. Yes or no? You can see branches. Yes or no, my dear children? Then you all can see stem. Yes or no? All these are above the soil. This is your soil, dear kids. Okay? Yes? This is below the ground level. These are the roots. Can you see them? No, it's there inside the soil, below the ground. Yes or no? They are below the ground level. Yes? So, these are known as roots. Fine? Okay. What is this? This is a flower. This is your flower. Then, these are leaves. Leaves. Then, this is your branch. Can you see this? This is your branches. Then, this thin thing is known as stem. Stem. And these are the roots. Yes, my dear children? Okay. So, tell me about these things. What are the roots? What does the roots do? Yes? What does your roots do? First term is roots. What does the roots do of a plant? They fix the plant. Erect. They help the plant to stand erect. Yes? So, they fix it. They have fixed it in the ground. So, roots are very helpful to the plant. Next term is stem. What does the stem do, my dear children? Stem supply food to the plant. Have you seen a stem? See, it's a long stem over here. Can you see? It supplies food to the plant. From where does the food comes? From the roots, from this soil. From here, it moves to the plant with the help of the stem. Next term, children, is leaves. Leaves also supply food to the plant. Then you have what? Flower. Then you have what? Fruits. Have you seen fruits? Yes? You have seen fruits on the plants, trees? Okay. So just tell me, children, how does we get food? How do we get food, children? Your mama prepares it for you in the kitchen? Yes? Papa brings all the things, raw materials from the market. Then your mama prepares it inside the kitchen for you. Then you get food. But how do plants get food? Plants get food through air, water, which you plant to the trees, and sunshine, sunlight. Yes? So, what all things do the plant need? Sunshine, air from nature, and water. All these three things help the plant to get food. That is why we say na, plants prepare their own food. Yes or no? Easy? Okay. Come, let's quickly come to the reading part of the chapter. Please be ready with your books, my dear children. First term is roots. Roots is an important part of a plant. It remains under the soil, as you all can see over here. Yes? It remains under the soil. It remains under the soil and keeps the plant fixed into the soil. It takes water and salt from soil. What does it take? It takes water and soil. Next term is stem. What is your next term, my dear children? Stem. Stem helps a plant to remain straight. What does the stem do? Helps the plant to remain straight. It has what? Branches, leaves, flowers and fruits. What all things can you see with the help of a stem? Stem has branches, leaves, flowers, fruits. It carries food prepared by the leaves. Who prepares food? Leaves. To the roots and other parts of a plant. Understood? What does the stem do? Helps the plant to remain straight. It has branches, flowers and fruits, leaves. It carries food prepared by the leaves to the roots and other parts of the plant. Now we come to the next, that is leaf. Green leaves of a plant make food for the plant. Who prepares food for the plant? Green leaves of the plant prepares food for the plant. Leaves can make food only when the sun shines. Yes, they take sunlight from the sun. Flowers. Flowers are a beautiful and colorful part of a plant. Do you all love flowers? Yes or no? You all bring flowers for us as well. Yes? So, you all love flowers? You all? Yes or no? You all have flowers in your garden as well? In your homes? Many of you have. They also smell very sweet. You all like the smell of the flowers? Yes? Now we come to fruits. Different plants bear different kinds of fruits, such as mangoes, apples, oranges, papayas, grapes, etc. Now we come to seeds. Seeds are found inside the fruit. Yes, when you eat a fruit, you see a small seed inside it. Yes. After eating fruits, you throw the seed away. These seeds grow into a new baby. Yes, just for example, once you take the seed of any of your fruit, then just dip it in soil, inside the soil and water it. It will grow up to a new plant. Just try it, okay? If they get enough water, air, and sunshine, these baby plants grow up into big plants. Yes, that's what I told you right now. They grow up to a big plant. Okay, plants need care and protection. Plants are very useful to us. Yes or no? Plants are useful to all of you? Yes? Plants are very useful to all of us. We get food, medicines, and fresh air to breathe from plants. Plants give shelter to animals and birds. Yes or no? They all are outside only. Are they all in your homes? Animals and birds? No. They are outside with the plants. They get shared food and shelter and everything from plants. Many birds make their nest on branches of trees. They need our care and protection. Yes? You have seen many birds there on the trees. They prepare small nest for themselves and their babies. Yes or no? We should not cut trees. If you cut trees, where will these birds go? These animals go? Yes? We should plant trees during the rainy season. Every year, one Mahotsav are celebrated to protect and plant new trees. Plants make our world beautiful. Yes or no? When you go outside from your room or from your house, what do you see outside? Plants and plants and plants. They bring greenery all around. They bring fresh air. Yes, you all like that fresh air? You all like breathing those fresh airs? Yes? When you move around, what all things you see? You see beautiful plants, beautiful flowers, beautiful trees. You all like those things? Okay. So, please plant more and more trees. And I guess you all are able to understand the parts of a plant. What are the parts? Flower, leaf, branches, stem. All these are above the ground. And we have roots below the ground in the soil. Okay? Thank you.